Real estate sales increased in 2010, breaking the negative trend that was registered in 2008 and 2009. More than 55,000 houses were sold in 2010, 21% more than in 2009. In fact, 2009 was the worst year ever for the construction sector. However, the positive data for 2010 needs to be interpreted with caution. The vast majority of the sales were carried out just before the VAT increased in July, or at the end of the year, when the Spanish government's fiscal deduction for the purchasing of properties expired. That's why forecasts for 2011 are not very optimistic. In 2010, the majority of properties that were sold were second-hand flats. That was the market that grew the most. The maximum sales were in the Barcelona metropolis area. The Catalan market is one of the markets in Spain with the most sales. The sector growth in Catalonia was 3 times higher than the Spanish average.